Reggae sensation Ghost has released a new single, Beautiful Feelings, over the weekend. In an exclusive with E-Prime, Ghost says he wants his fans to feel happiness when listening to the single.
I want people to feel happy when they listen to the song, because you see that you're in a relationship long time ago, and it's a beautiful feeling that you and this person go through the thick and thin, and no matter what, you're not gonna end up at each other's throat. You have ways and means to work it out. That's a beautiful feeling. That's happy right there, so.
And in an unusual twist, Beautiful Feelings, produced by MS Music, was supposed to be just a single for his upcoming solo album, but has turned out to be a star-filled rhythm album called Afi Move.
A song like this evolved into a medley because, you ever heard the saying, when rhythm hit you feel no pain, and DJ yes cock up rhythm, yeah boom rhythm, and that happened when time I make the song for this rhythm. So my friend walk in the studio and then hear it and them just go on and go on. I mean I tell them it's for my album and them I say no for the album, the album. Them need peace. I don't know where I go and I say okay. So I'm making share the love. And the love is coming out and the rhythm name Afi Move, AFF. I move the man them.
Afi Move rhythm album, distributed by 1RPM, will be out this August and will feature some big names in reggae. Ghost has gained a lot of popularity in the 90s as part of the then Monster Shack crew and became famous through his covers. Since then, fans have been requesting more original music from the artist. Well, they're in for a treat as he is also gearing up to release his solo album later this year.
Want to run to you, just want to be with you, run away, babe.
Now, Grammy Award-winning reggae singer-songwriter Gramps Morgan released his album Positive Vibration. The 15-track LP is his first solo project in 9 years and features star-studded collaborations with Shaggy, India Ari, Libran, The Rum Boss, and 3 generations of Morgans, with Denroy Morgan and Jameer Morgan. Grams shared with E-Prime his inspiration for the album title.
So much racial tension and injustices around the world. I think that our duty as singers and players of instrument is to uplift and inspire the world and let them know that everything is going to be all right and give them strength. It is promised in the Bible that as well as the singers and the players of instruments shall be there. All my springs are indeed. So for me, it was simple that, okay, what are we going to do? Sit around and complain? Nah, tour, write some music. And out of writing music came this amazing project of just fun and sun and reminding me of the beauty of Jamaica. Well, the reactions behind the album have been incredible. I mean, from the toughest of tough and till the most quietest people, like when you hear songs like Peacock and you hear songs like the Conky Tonk and you hear the country influence, the reactions have been amazing because we Jamaican people love country music.
Grams' Positive Vibration also has a star-studded credit, as it is produced by multi-platinum recording artist producer Johnny Reed and recorded both in Nashville at Soul Train Sound Studios, the former home of historic Scruggs Sound Studios, as well as in Canada at Toronto's Revolution Recording Studio. Positive Vibration is available on all digital platforms. I'm Tatron reporting for